Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Subaru Legacy key fob. First, you'll need a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's also a good idea to find a clean, well-lit area to work so you don't lose any small parts. This quick process will have your key fob working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can pry the two halves of the casing apart. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out of its holder, paying close attention to which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your vehicle and test the key fob's buttons to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.